Hey guys, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to talk about 5 important applications that will help you in your Android phones. If you are new in my channel, then please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video without doing any delay. So, first application name is Posteroid. This application is very useful for Instagram user because in this application we can create poster without watermark. You can add any background over there. I am using PUBG background. After using background, I am blurring the background. After blurring the background, I am using text. You can write anything over there. I am writing love PUBG. After writing, then you can add fonts too. There are many fonts. Use one of them. It is very important for updating status. Second application name is Sajam. From this application we can easily know the name of the song. Just we have to do is open the application and click on the icon of the Sajam. Then it will listen the song and give you the name of the song, and you can easily play the song too. So in this video I have told you how to use this application. If you have any problem, then please comment below. So the third application name is Unique Control. This application will make your control advanced. There are two options. If you will enable first one, hello, then you will find the notification. You can easily watch the notification as I have shown in video. This application will make your phone advanced. It will look awesome. And the second option is Pi. After enabling it, you can see the 3 switches which is available in your phones already, but it makes your phone awesome. It look very good. You can watch time easily. So fourth application name is Camfine. This application will help you to get full detailed information of any object. After you open the application, then the camera will open automatically. After the camera will open, you have to click the picture of the object which you want to know the information. After you click the photo, then it will take some time to get information as I have shown in video. So follow the step which I have done in video. So the last application name is rounded corner. From this application we can change the shape of the corner. We can make it rounded shape. We can change its shape too. We can change its color also as I have shown in video. Watch the video to know how to do it, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.